We Swarna Samanala group of companies that is introduced portable air conditioners first time in Sri Lanka. This is not a water using air cooler. It is original air conditioner with compressor. It can be obtained capacities of BTU 9,000, 12,000 and 18,000 with 1 year warranty and 5 years warranty for the compressor. As no outdoor unit with this machine, it is very user friendly. Also very easy to move as it's on the wheels. Fixing and service can be done by yourself. Installing requirement is only diameter of 15 centimeter hole on the wall. Then you can fix this hose like this for blow out hot air. If you have sliding window, no need any hole in the wall because sliding window kit also available with the machine. We see how to service this machine. Remove these two filters and wash properly. Then fix again into the machine. Cooling power can be adjusted from 17 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius. As remote controller is available, you can handle this machine very easily. If you want to buy this machine, please contact us. For further details, visit our website www.swarnasamanala.lk.